Today we're going to be talking about precision, accuracy, and significant digits, or as we like to call them, sig figs. To start, we're gonna get an example, and the example is like we have a measurement of 8 grams, and every time we measure it, we get these different measurements: 8.02 and 7.9 and 8.029 grams. And to find the precise measurements out of these, we find the measurement with the most digits, with the one with the furthest digits, which is scale 3. And because it has 0.29, it has 3 decimal digits. It is the one with the furthest digits than the others. That's why it's the most precise measurements. And to find the most accurate measurement, we see the measurement that's closest to the original. And in this example, it is 7.9. It's scale 2. So scale 2 is going to be the most accurate. It's the closest to the original number, which is 8, and it has the least number of digits or decimal numbers. Now we're going to talk about significant digits or sig figs. And to determine the number of sig figs, we look at the following. Our number is 0.000708000. And we want to know how many significant digits are in here. So any number that's not a zero is a sig fig. Here we have 7 and 8, so they are counted as sig figs. And leading zeros, the one before a number, which are these, are not sig figs, so they don't count as sig figs at all. And the trailing zeros, which are these, only count as sig figs if they're in a decimal. So if our number is 808,000, these do not count as sig figs because they're not in a decimal. But if they are in a decimal, like our example, they do count as significant digits. And to calculate with significant digits, when multiplying or dividing, we round our answer to the number with the least number of significant figures. So here it's the least number of sig figs. And when adding or subtracting, our answer is rounded to the number with the least of decimal places, the least with decimal digits. And for example, we have 16.872 plus 3.8. When we add these two together, we get 20.672. But this won't be our final answer because we're adding, our answer will be 20.7. Why? Because our answer has to be rounded to the least number of decimal digits. And here and in these 3.8 has the least decimal digits, so we're going to have to round our answer to one decimal place. That will give us 20.7. That's it for accuracy, precision, and sig figs. Hope you learned something new today, and goodbye.